it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, as America's Gamer here with another reaction? Today, guys, we're here with Pablo YG. Pablo YG with a song, with a music video called Siddung. So something for the girl, I don't know, on the Dutty money rhythm. Big up yourself, Russian. You still a release. You still a release song on the rhythm, bro. You still a release song on the rhythm. Let's jump in the one and hear where the G have to say. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. Let's go.
Siddung pancake, turn round when me fuck you from back then yo. Turn side be like crab. Hey girl, ya body master. Siddung pancake, turn round when me fuck you from back then yo. Turn side be like crab.
Yeah, be a girl in the jungle, you know. Be a girl in the jungle, in the forest, in the woodland. Be a girl in the woodland.
Siddung pancake, turn round when me fuck you from back then yo. Turn side be like crab. Girl is in a tree, tougher than stone love. As a junker, you know me no know none.
Bumbleclad, girl is in a tree, tougher than stone love. You know stone love is for the streets.
Siddung pancake,
So the boss will tell us, say, man, girl is in a street, rougher than stone love.
turn side be like crab.
Ladies!
Hey girl, ya body master.
Yeah.
Siddung pancake, turn round when me fuck you from back then yo. Turn side be
All
like
type of
crab.
ladies, thicker, slimmers.
Girl is in a tree, tougher than stone love. As a junker, you know me no know none. Cocky up in your belly, tougher than a chrome gun. Love it bad girl, them boy nose, boy tongue. Cocky never afraid, so me nah call up. Travel with a long love if she want long love.
Cocky never afraid, so me nah call up. Cocky nah get shy when him see the whole heap of girl, them all girl look and girl get fuck over there. So cocky, I be a madness a go on in the woodland.
No know none. Cocky up in your belly, tougher than a chrome gun. Love it bad girl, them boy nose, boy tongue.
Yeah.
Cocky never afraid, so me nah call up. Travel with a long love if she want long love.
You hear that? Play upon word. Travel with a long love if she want long love. You know the condom long love, right? You know you get long love from the long love. You know the girl them love the long love from the long love. Blood clot, play upon word, you.
No none. Cocky up in your belly, tougher than a chrome gun. Love it bad girl, them boy nose, boy tongue. Cocky never afraid, so me nah call up. Travel with a long love if she want long love. Travel with a capsule if she want passport. Me I travel with something.
Travel with a capsule if she want passport. Someone tell her say you travel with the Mali if she want get high. If she want get high and leave planet Earth. You know what I
Bad
think?
girl, them boy nose, boy tongue. Cocky never afraid, so me nah call up. Travel with a long love if she want long love. Travel with a capsule if she want passport. Me I travel with something make your whole sore up. This a fi grown up, not slow fuck. Oh yeah.
This have grown up. So kids, stay away from the one. That one is a bit explicit for you. Stay away from the one, yeah. You know? Yeah, this have grown ups.
I travel with something make your whole sore up. This a fi grown up, not slow fuck. Oh your bad so, me think I porn up. Cocky in a hole left, pussy soak up. Hood in a your mouth, does call it bolus, girl. Oh your
Lord, we don't know call it what?
cocky in a hole left, pussy soak up. Hood in a your mouth, does call it bolus, girl. Oh your pussy swell so I never cook up. Yeah.
Oh your pussy swell so I never cook up. You know when you get a cocoa, it swell up all by your forehead. Yeah, Jada, who give a cocoa there? No, I say no, man. The man not compared to cocoa. I never cocoa. Pussy swell up, but I never cocoa.
Hood in your mouth, does call it bolus, girl. Oh, your pussy swell, so I never cook up. Yeah, I plunk out, me think I'm more. Bad man.
Bumbleclad. Yeah, I plunk up, me think I'm more. Jesus.
Oh, your pussy swell, so I never cook up. Yeah, I plunk out, me think I'm more. Bad man a fuck ya, me never go low. She have to call best, stick and fuck my soul up.
Bad man a fuck you, I never go low. She have to call bestie. She can't manage it by herself. No, sir, this need crowd. This need crowd. Call your bestie. Yeah. Threesome. And that's how you think they. Threesome. Call your bestie.
Bad man a fuck ya, me never go low. She have to call bestie, can't fuck my solo.
No.
Let me see your Vicky see. Vicky please, I just the beginning.
Bumbo class. Please.
Bad man a fuck ya, me never go low. She have to call bestie, can't fuck my solo. Let me see your Vicky see. Vicky please, I just the beginning.
Let me see your Vicky see. Let me see your Victoria's Secret. Vicky please, I just the beginning. Hey. Play upon words.
Let me see your Vicky see. Vicky please, I just the beginning. Hey girl, we a make a bikini. Your man a fuck pan, you know fi give him.
Hey girl, I go breed him. I live in their belly for 9 months. Baby, I go born. Call him the young Pablo 𝐎𝐍. Call him the young generation. Yeah. Yeah. If a man a fuck pan your baby, don't forgive him. Run him. Run him and come to the drunker. Yeah, I just two men have 2 wings, making us see the real drunker in me. Yeah.
Hey girl, we a make a bikini. Your man a fuck pan, you know fi give him. Me love it thick brown girl, pretty skin. She bring a thick bad girl fi give me.
Me love it thick brown girl them. Big still must big up on yourself too. But me love it thick brown girl them too. Yeah.
Me love it thick brown girl, pretty skin. She bring a thick bad girl fi give me.
Bring it.
A bad girl where we want to see. Me know you want fuck all your panty I see.
Me know you want fuck all your panty I see. All your jazz I see say you want fuck, you know, girl.
Girl where we want to see. Me know you want fuck all your panty I see. Siddung pancake. Turn round, me fuck you from back then yo. Turn side we like crab. Hey girl, your body man. Say she pussy feel like one swamp. Me make it wet, I coulda never damp.
Pussy feel like one swamp. You know a swamp is wet. I saw your pussy feel like a swamp.
From back then yo. Turn side we like crab. Hey girl, your body man. Say she pussy feel like one swamp. Me make it wet, I coulda never damp. Up in her belly, your ball out, make it cramp. Can't want slow sex and want bad man.
You can't want slow sex and want bad man. Man rough out and I cheat. Man rough out and I cheat. So man I gotta deal with your whole crab it. Yeah. Man I gotta mix Martin and your whole throw black in your whole cement in your whole. We are gonna build it in your whole. Construction in your whole, mama barrow. Yes, mama. That's right there. You ready? Let's go.
Up in her belly, your ball out, make it cramp. Can't want slow sex and want bad man. Your pussy golden, I coulda never bronze. I coulda wore that pussy, them me want. She run.
No matter your who, mama, you coulda want whore, you coulda want bitch, you coulda want dog. That pussy, them me want. Remember, say Dexter Dabs don't tell you say all when you done 6-10 man, you have to be 11. And you saw it there.
Your pussy golden, I coulda never bronze. I coulda wore that pussy, them me want. She run a marathon and I coulda never chance. Me no French kiss, you better put it back a France.
Me nah suck out my tongue, me nah French kiss, no, me nah name Mr. Tonguey Youngie, no. Me nah French kiss, you better bring it back a France. Yeah? Turn back here, girl, hold him.
She run a marathon and I coulda never chance. Me no French kiss, you better put it back a France. Let me see your Vicky see. Vicky please, I just the beginning. Hey girl, we a make a bikini. Your man a fuck pan, you know fi give him. Me love it thick brown girl, pretty skin. She bring a thick bad girl fi give me. A bad girl where we want to see. Me know you want fuck all your panty I see.
Girl, I broke out in a woodland. Girl in a woodland, I broke out on them man. Broke out on them man, me no man.
If I'm a king, I'm shoot this, it's not shoot good, brother.
Big up yourself, King Kang. Russian, big up yourself too. I'm a J, you still put out the rhythm, and also the rhythm now. The rhythm dead. Pablo 𝐎𝐍, big up yourself, my J. Big up all the ladies in that video too. Ladies, I love the way how you guys are shaking your bums. I love it. Pablo alone in the jungle with about 60 gal. We not see no other man. Only thing we see, be a gal, Pablo 𝐎𝐍, and one spider up on a web. Yeah, and that we see. Yeah, the boss out there with the gal them. I live in them belly for 9 months. And that's the thing there. King can big up the one here. Big up yourself with that one. Big up the production team behind that one, man. You guys are putting out the work, so big up on yourself. Artists, big up yourself, G. Yeah. Riddim is on. Glad. Who next to drop on the Riddim, guys? Who next to drop on the Riddim? Let me know in the comment section. Who next to drop on the Riddim? Yeah? But yeah. This is I'm going to leave the one still. If you enjoy that one and want to see more reactions from your G, look on the screen now. You see a couple of them float about. Click on any one of them and you know so you have more. You have more? You have more. Alright? Alright? Yeah!
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, Rip Connect.